Warning! This video contains material not suitable for homeschool children.
If burning or irritation is experienced by either partner, this can you use? Well, I don't want baby, so I'm gonna use the shit on this thing.
Listen, Bin Laden blow up projects. It was you, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Bin Laden blow up projects. It was you, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga.
I pledge no allegiance, nigga, fuck the president's speeches. I'm baptized by America and covered in leeches. The dirty water that bleaches your soul and your facial features, drowning you in propaganda that they spit through the speakers. And if you speak about the evil that the government does, the Patriot Act to track you to the type of your blood. They try to frame you and say you was trying to sell drugs and throw a federal indictment on niggas to show you love. This shit is run by fake Christians, fake politicians. Look at their mansions and look at the conditions you live in. All they talk about is terrorism on television. They tell you to listen, but they don't really care. They funded Al-Qaeda, and now they blame the Muslim religion. Even though Bin Laden was a CIA tactician, they gave him billions of dollars, and they funded his purpose. Fahrenheit 9/11, that's just scratching the surface.
Bin Laden blow up projects. It was you, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Bin Laden blow up projects. It was you, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga.
They say the rebels in Iraq still fight for
Benjamin's baby.
Shot callers, brawlers, who be dipping in the bins with the spoilers. On the low from the Jake and the Taurus, trying to get my hands on some grants like Horace. Yeah, living the raw deal, 3-course meal, spaghetti, fettuccine and veal. But still, everything's real in the field. And what you can't have now, leave in your will. But don't knock me for trying to bury 7 zeros over in Rio de Janeiro. Ain't nobody's hero, but I wanna be heard. Oh yeah. And every day, that's my word. Swimming in women with their own condominiums. 5+5s, who drive millenniums. It's all about the Benjamins. What? I get a 50-pound bag for the mutts. 5 carats on my hands with the cuts.